Okay, this is the People versus Melvin Rojas Soto. Ticket number ticket number P1216769, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki on behalf of Mr. Rojas Soto.
All right, and the offer is improper plate, count one.
He's going to avail himself of that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rojas Soto.
Yes, ma'am. Rojas Soto.
Okay, say your whole name, sir.
Melvin Ricardo Rojas Soto.
Okay, you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
My own will.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yeah.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea? Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to July 1st, 2021 at 9:14 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Gratiot and Harper in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're driving a 92 Honda vehicle?
Yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
It didn't just have the proper plates on it.
You're satisfied, Ms. Siroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court will amend, the court's also satisfied, will amend the count to a proper plate. You stipulate the probable cause is for the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Mr. Rojas. Can you have it paid by August 25th?
Okay. Yes, I will.
Any questions, sir?
No, thank
You're all set. Good luck.
you. You too. You guys have a nice day.
Too.
You have to contact the state prosecutor about that.
Yeah, email address.
But the officer didn't appear either, not for that.
Did I?
It's Reese,
She's not Reese, right?
right?
Oh,
But
she's
the
just on the
other-
U ticket.
She's on you ticket, correct?
Okay. What's
That's
that?
Corporal Hardy,
Yes.
right? She's just on that ticket.
Okay. So
And all
everything
the
else will be
rest-
dismissed.
No officer appeared.
Right. Ms. Siroki, for
Yes, Your Honor.
Jonathan Reese, the one ticket, the U ticket, which is city, and then the other tickets are state. Officers didn't appear. Corporal Hardy is here for the U ticket.
And the U ticket was for, what was the U ticket for, Your?
Possession of a controlled substance, marijuana. The offer was to.
We're dismissing that.
Oh, okay, and that's gonna be a dismissal. So we can.
So everything is going to be dismissed then, correct?
Yeah.
All right, so he's ready.
Did you speak to Mr. Richards?
I did, and my client didn't have any knowledge, so it's a trial.
This call, I'm sorry, the officer's not here, so we don't need you anymore. If I do, I'll send you another email. Thank you, though.
Of course.
All right. This is the People versus Jonathan Reese, ticket number U378091117. Count one, possession of a controlled substance, suspected marijuana. Ticket number X395332. Count one, no operators on person. Count one, count two, speed freeway 25 miles over posted speed. Count three, violation of seatbelt law, driver. Ticket number 312704, which I think has already been adjudicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Hardy.
My name is Corporal Terry Hardy, badge 4662.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Jonathan Reese.
Say your name, Mr. Reese, unmute yourself, sir. Say your name, Mr. Reese. Say your name, Mr. Reese.
Jonathan Reese.
All right, so with the U ticket, Ms. Soroka, you stipulate to probable cause,
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
dismissed without prejudice, and then no officer has appeared as to the state ticket. You have a motion.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, so it's dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Reed. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Ms.
Thank you.
Harding,
All right, thank you.
or Corporal Harding, I'm sorry. Thank you.
That's
Corporal Harding.
okay. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. Javante Deakins, ticket number, turn your video on, unmute yourself. P1230782, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number P1230754, count one, no valid registration certificate.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, we have Mr. Dinkins. At this time, he's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Deakins.
Yes.
Do you swear, turn your video on, sir.
Okay, 1 second. I'm sorry, I'm at work. Hold on 1 second.
That's all right, don't worry about it. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Turn your video off.
Okay.
You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Mr. Dinkins, you
Yes.
understand you have a jury trial? Has anyone
Yeah.
threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date on September 26th at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions, sir?
September 26th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all I have to bring is my proof of insurance.
No, there's two tickets. There's only one on the docket, but you gave two counts. So was it no registration or no license also?
Yes.
I mean, I have my license. I've been having my license because I'm a
All
truck
right,
driver.
so you got a trial date, Mr. Dinkins. You got a trial date.
Okay, is that in person or in Zoom?
It's on Zoom, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set. This is the People versus Charles Day. Ticket number P1260111, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, drove by license not valid or improper license. Obviously, FTD on count one, Mr. Oki.
Mr. Pauline Soroka, we have Mr. Day. Mr. Day, are you there?
He doesn't know how to unmute himself. Mr. Day, can you unmute yourself? Look on the bottom left. You weren't practicing this all this time you've been sitting here? Look on the bottom left-hand corner.
There he is.
All
Go
right,
ahead. Oh, you have been practicing. Good. Say your name, sir.
Charles Day.
All right.
Mr. Day, if you wanted to accept one violation, which is no points for not having your license on you, they'll dismiss your other tickets. Do you want to do that?
Yes,
We're ready to
Raise your
proceed, Your Honor.
Right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Day. Do you swear or affirm to the other hand? Right
Oh.
hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes,
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney with the court present about your case and your rights. Is that correct?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still want to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 6, 2021 at 11:06 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Schaefer and Finkel in Detroit?
yes,
You're driving a 2012 Dodge vehicle.
yes,
The vehicle unregistered or untitled.
yes, I have a registration and a title for it.
Okay, how about this? Was your license not valid on that date and time?
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Also satisfied the factual basis. Will accept the admission to, count 3. Will you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by August 25th, Mr. Day?
Over 25th, yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set.
You said 200 and what now, again?
$200, 200, that's it.
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.
Good luck. People versus Deion Davis, ticket number P1318140, count 1, defective or missing equipment. Count 2, driver unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Davis, I saw both his insurance and his registration. I'd move for dismissal of those two matters.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, so those matters are dismissed without prejudice. As to count 1,
I think the only outstanding matter would be the equipment violation.
right?
So he didn't meet responsibility.
Okay, you stipulate the face of the ticket.
So stipulated.
All right. Okay, we'll proceed with sentencing. There is a fine of $120 because it's a civil infraction. Oh, Mr. Davis, can you say your name for the record?
Deion Davis.
So, there's gonna be a fine of $120 because this is a civil infraction. You have to have it paid in 2 weeks. Can you have it paid by August 11th?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions, sir?
It's not gonna put any points on my license, is it?
No. No.
All right, that's it.
Okay, you're all set. Good luck, sir.
All right. Will I get a email or something to pay it? How I pay it?
Probably not. You can pay it online. You can pay it come down to the court. There's kiosks around the city called DivDat, where you can pay it, like in CVS and Myers, you can pay it there. There's a phone number where you can pay it. I can give you the phone number whenever you're ready.
All right, I'm ready.
855-798-1547.
All right, thank you.
You're all set. Good luck. This is the people
Okay.
versus James Dingleday, ticket number U57620120, count 1, narcotic and drug related violations. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dingleday.
Say your name, Mr. Dingleday.
James Dingledy.
Dingledy.
Your Honor, at this time, my client is continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dingledy. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date, September 26th at 9 o'clock.
September 26th at 9.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Corporal, okay, what about some of these, let's bring out Anthony Richard. Is he ready? Did you speak to him, Mr. Oki?
I didn't, the ones that like were, I don't even know where he is on the back yet. Was he set for a lot of,
Yeah, he's set for a trial, so we have Corporal, Black here, so let's.
I did speak with him. He's not guilty, so. Balls in
He wants to
the.
have a trial.
This is a, he wasn't stopped on the road, so I would think that people would have a hard time making their proofs, but that's me.
All right, let's see, who else? We got Adia Reed.
Yeah, she's a review, Your Honor, so.
Oh, okay. Thought I had, oh, here it is. She's not, okay. Looked like she was supposed to. Pay the fine? Ms. Reed, did you pay $200?
I'm sorry. Yes, I paid it.
Okay, we'll close it out.
Thank you. You're all set, Miss Reed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, who else do we have? Ms. Dodge?
Well, Ray and Rayborn are ready. Are they up here? Rayborn's up on the screen.
Okay, let me pull right Warren's file. I just saw it. This is the people versus, no, this is right. Sorry. Hold on. I just saw it. Well, I thought I had her file. I had this is the people versus Tanya Rayborn, ticket number SP 1252899, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license. Ticket number SP 1252777, count one, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Rayborn.
Tanja Rayborn.
Your Honor, I did the right to speak with Ms. Rayborn. At this time, she's continuing to plead not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Right hand, Ms. Rayborn.
Excuse me?
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your, to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, you said, can you repeat yourself?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that if I have a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Okay.
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial for September 26th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
Okay, now that's it.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
All right. What about Dr. Reed? Are you ready on Dr. Reed? Okay, we have. I think-
Dockery didn't have an offer, Your Honor. Those are trials. So do we have the officers?
Yeah, the officer is here for Dockery. The offer is, plead account 1 and ticket number ending in 683. And then the civil violation and ticket number 591, count 1, it'll be amended to limited access, 0.60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone, then everything else is dismissed.
Okay, very good. Give me 1 second.
What's the bill? You set it up, Melvin. So.
Oh, he said. I don't know what happened on that. Let me.
It says pre-trial 7.
No, I don't like.
Yeah.
It was, plan to a proper place and then count to.
Okay.
Do you want me to pull like the files that we did, but we did ROA?
No, I'll do that. I'll do that. If you can, yeah, I'll start. That's easy. You did enough already. Judge Evans, what can I help you? Hey, I'm good. Yeah, I did all those files on this line. Give us night of cost. That's night of files. For the clerk that works in here. You're welcome.
I think I just gave you Ray more. Here's the file. There's the actual file. So see the Ray chart. Ray more. Ray time. Just.
Oh, right here, yeah.
She can't unmute, so I don't know what to do with her.
Okay. Here.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Ray.
Yeah, Mr. Ray.
He is up for, is right here.
It took
All
me
right, so-
Mr. Ray is ready, Your Honor, if you're ready.
Okay, this is the people versus Jason Ray, ticket number U87719612, count 1, enter vacant building without permission of owner. Ticket number P1261187, count 1, fails to display valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count 3, fails to stop for stop sign. As a state ticket. Ticket number P1000376, count 1, improper place. Count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, drove while license suspended. And ticket number. That's it. That's it.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Jason Ray. Can you state your name, Mr. Ray?
Jason Ray.
Your Honor, I did discuss this matter with my client. At this time, he's continuing his plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Ray. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right. Are you being forced to waive your right, sir?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
You understand that? Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial September 26th at 9 o'clock. You have any questions?
September 26th. Okay.
You're all set?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Here, I'm gonna print out Ms. Dawes.
Your Honor, can I have a moment to admit the Zoom user?
Yes.
Yeah, because I think somebody just dropped off.
Is I'm done?
Yes, you're done, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
Zoom user, what is your name, please?
I'm Sherelle Dockery.
Place your device on mute, ma'am.
Okay.
so you want to put her in a breakout room, or should we just say I can just say the offer now if the court doesn't mind. Miss
Yeah,
Dockery,
something's wrong with my phone, so that's why I got disconnected. I'm back on.
you're not driving, are you?
Say that again.
Are you driving?
No, I'm in the car with someone.
Okay, so you've got multiple tickets. If you plead to one ticket for failed to display a valid license, it's no points. And one ticket for limited access, which is also no points. All the other tickets would be dismissed. You want to do that?
Okay, you said 2 other tickets. You know, the thing about it, ma'am, is that a family member was getting tickets in my name. So that's why I was dispute. That's why I'm trying to dispute it, because a family member was getting tickets in my name.
Mr. Roki, sounds like you might need to speak for her.
Yeah, I do. I know. Now I know. So she's gonna have to go back in a breakout room.
Okay. You're talking to me?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying to print out Ms. Dawes' ROAs. It's a lot of them.
I'm gonna speak with Miss Durr because she only has 3 matters. I think I can resolve those. Oh, no, I can't. It's leaving the scene. She's gonna have to come back. So, all right, let me tell her.
Anthony Richard, we're gonna dismiss.
Anthony Richard, okay.
It is on 10 right now.
Just to get an hour. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. Bye-bye.
I'll be in 332. Bring the 2 officers out, break out.
Williams and Waterloo.
Right. Victor or Dockery. I think that's the thing. I want them to see it.
Oh, okay. Bring her on.
Yes, that's the, it got the. We got like two or three more. I'm gonna make a run. I'll come back. No, I'm going, I'm not gonna be, I'm going downstairs. I mean, I'm going upstairs. Judge here. Somehow they emailed this to me probation. Hi, Judge.
Hi.
You got enough to sign. This came to me. It's one of your cases. It's just a permission to leave. I'll process it for you and send it back to them. Just sign it.
Here?
Yeah,
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank
I'll email it back.
you.
Probation attached, yeah, they attached it to one of my emails today.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Judge. Keep it moving.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Marcia, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
All right.
So I didn't want you to bring him up here, down here, because I gotta carry all this. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out.
You got your basket?
No, Carmen took it.
You on time out? Okay.
No, I'm not on time.
Okay.
You know, Jason, right? Okay. So then look, before I stack.
Oh, well, here, you can take a look at this since you know. This is Dodge.
See, whenever you talk, say it like that. I'm like, uh-oh.
Good news. It's nothing out of the ordinary. Just, well, that was the part. Most of them, well, here, what did you look at? You ready, Anthony Richard? I am.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
This is the people versus Anthony Richard, ticket number P1336942, count one, allowing a licensed driver to drive. Did I say count two? That was count one. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki. No, starting with Corporal Latch. If he's around. Oh, there he is.
My name is Anthony Richard.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Latch, badge 3603 with the Detroit Police Department's 3rd Precinct.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Anthony Richard, today is trial date.
May it please His Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people. Your Honor, at this time, the people are moving to dismiss this matter.
No objection.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Richard. Oh,
You can hang up, Mr. Richard, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
So stipulated.
It's just now, it's just stuff, right?
Hey, so I don't have to come to court on the 22nd of August?
He thought he got a show cause for these same tickets, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. No, you're all set. All right, are you, can I bring Ms. Dockery out?
Yeah, but she contends these weren't her, so.
Okay.
I think there's somebody else still in there too. Yeah. Yeah, we got Dobine. I think they're ready. I'm gonna bring them up.
All right, we're gonna get an offer on Dawes, and I have Durr. The offer for Durr is plea to count two, dismiss counts 1 and 3.
Okay, and then how about, Dobine has open alcohol. Oh, no, yeah, they do. Open alcohol, no insurance.
Open alcohol is a driver.
Yes.
Open alcohol driver. Open alcohol passenger, dismiss the insurance.
Okay, and then going back to Durr, is that reduced to fail display?
It's already a failed to display. Count two is
Okay.
already failed to display, so dismiss the insurance and dismissing the lead scene of property or accident.
Okay, Ms. Durr left. She's not in the breakout
No,
room.
she's right here. She's right here.
Oh,
I'm here.
Turn your video on, Ms. Durr.
Ms. Durr.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you wanted to admit the account of failed display of valid license, is no points. It just means you didn't have your license on you when you were stopped. They'll dismiss your other tickets.
Okay, yes, I'll do that.
You don't have a valid license right now, do you?
They're suspended.
Okay,
I have a
very
ticket.
ready. Proceed, Your Honor.
All right, you have a question, Officer Waterlow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor. I was wondering if I could speak with the prosecutor, one second.
Yeah, sure. Whenever you want, you can just rejoin that breakout room number 2.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right, this is People versus Ashley Durr, ticket number P11493848. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display valid operator's license down on person. And count 3, leave scene of accident, property damage. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki. Ms. Durr, turn your video on.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Ms. Durr.
Say your name, Ms. Durr.
Yes, Ashley there.
I believe the recommendation was my client would admit failed to display and the other matters would be dismissed. If that's the recommendation, she's going to avail herself of that.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Durr. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki, who was present about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you continue with your guilty plea? Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea? Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you. I don't know what just happened.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 9, 2021 at 1:28 a.m. On that date and time, were you near Joy Road in Granville in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're driving 2011 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license down on person?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis? You stipulate the probable causes, the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Ms. Durr. Can you have it paid by August 25th?
Is it possible to go to the September 1st, or is that the longest?
You can pay it on September 29th.
Yes, ma'am.
You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
I can hang up now.
You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
You guys give me a moment.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Officer Williams, can you come back to the, Officer Williams, can you go back to the breakout room?
Yeah, how do I do it?
I don't know what more to do, Mr. Officer Williams, but you go back to room 2. Breakout room number 2, you should be able to go back, and Officer Waterlow, you should be able to go back too. What me to change
I
you
spoke
guys?
to Officer Waterlow, Your Honor.
Okay. Officer Williams, can you go back to breakout room number 2?
Trying to figure it out.
It should be a icon to say breakout rooms.
Oh, I got it.
Okay. Can you guys give me 2 seconds?
Having fun?
No.
Not at all.
At least you have one court.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm running between three.
Yeah. Okay. You win.
Mr. Soroki,
Text me back.
Attorney Soroki?
Okay, so the only other person I think in the breakout room still is, it says Antonia Dixon, but I thought we did that. So I don't know. I tried to get her out and I couldn't get it to move, so.
Who are you trying to get out?
Dixon, I thought we did her. I thought there was that review on that OWI, but she's still in the breakout room, it says.
Here, I'll just close the room out. I'll close out the room, but I think we were trying to contact the probation officer.
Oh, okay.
Well, what about Dobine? Are we ready on that one?
Yes.
Let me, you know what? I think I need to fill out. I think I need to. I think I gotta print out the ROA for that one.
Who you need, John?
It's going to be a request for a bench trial, so.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're ready on Dockery, Sherelle Dockery.
Okay. Okay, let me just do this, trial request. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's at 8:30. All right, this is the people versus Aisha Dobine, ticket number SP 119890, count 1, no insurance. Misdemeanor, count 2, open alcohol in a vehicle, driver. Good morning, please state your names for the record. Starting with Attorney Soroki.
Pauline Soroki of Miss Dobine.
Ms. Dobine, say your name again.
Aisha Dobine.
My understanding you're requesting a bench trial. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your right hand out. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Say that again.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date, September 26th at 9 o'clock. You're all set. ma'am.
September 26th.
At 9 o'clock, yes. You're all set, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Did you ever speak to a Serafina? Okay, you said you're right. Which one is Ms. Dockery?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Is Dockery here? Did she leave?
She was here. I believe that's when the prosecutor was asking to.
Did she leave?
I don't know. She was in a car and she had a bad connection. I think some people popped into the waiting room, but I don't know.
Yeah, a few people did. Okay, so we have this Dixon. Kobe Davis, oh, he is late and no, he showed up late. So he was caking. So what do we do? Just tell him, give him another day? Or set up another trial?
We'll give him separate trial.
Do a separate trial.
Give him a pre-trial. Start this over.
Yeah, you have to go back to it.
Okay, Mr. Davis, you appeared late. So yours is set for a trial today at 9 o'clock. And I know you didn't log in on at 9. So we're gonna give you a pre-trial date, sir.
Remember what they used yesterday and I go from there, because nobody knows.
Oh, okay.
September 26th.
Oh, let's look at it. We got a bunch of trials that day.
You was pregnant like hell.
I was trying to get in contact with my lawyer.
You have an attorney, sir?
No pre-trial September 27th. You got 90-minute show calls and two arraignments.
We'll do September 27th at 8:35. It'll be set for a pretrial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
At what time?
8:35. So you can log on at 8:15.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Here, I'm gonna have to print this out. Let me print his out because I don't have.
Text me back then.
Give me one moment. Sorry.
You're very welcome.
You can check. Oh, can you print out Kobe Davis?
Kobe Davis. He got a whole bunch of secrets.
Yeah, he got you. Just so that I'll know.
Okay,
I'm trying to set it for the 27th.
Doing that now.
I don't know what happened to Miss Dockery. Did you speak to a Serafina Dent? Did you speak to her? Cause she was here earlier. I do remember that.
I don't know what page was she on.
Let me see if I can find her.
Oh, Miss Dent Lewis, I couldn't find her on the docket. No, I never spoke to her, so I never could find her.
Miss Dent, are you? I don't think you are on the docket, ma'am. Let me. I'll look. Do you have?
I kept trying. That's what I kept not seeing her. So,
Miss Dent, do you have a ticket number?
Yes, I do. 1 second. I had missed my court date on the 8th, and I was trying to remake my appointment, and I've been calling into the clerk's office. So the man that in the morning that be on here, he.
I understand. You don't have to keep explaining. I understand what's going on. So you said you missed
Okay. Okay, no problem. 1 second, please.
You missed your July 8th date?
Yes, and then he told me that I had another one on the 21st, but I believe you guys had the wrong address for me, and I did update it with the person I spoke with, the supervisor, I believe. I'm not sure. Sorry, 1 second, I'm getting it. It is SP 976-9461.
What's her name?
I got it up, but it looked like. Wow, what's that?
You said SP 976.
946.
712. Yeah, they put a bond on, but it's no bond. It's a personal bond, so she can just come down.
You need to come down this day to the courthouse to get a new date because the bond has been set.
Okay, so do I have to walk in with a bond or anything?
No, she has a show cause on August 23rd at 8:45. Yeah.
Okay.
So they'll pull all the rest of her stuff.
Okay. No, don't worry about that. Just come back on August 23rd at 8:45.
To this courtroom?
Yes.
But she does
20.
have one.
Okay, thank you.
You do have warrants though.
Yes, I'm aware of that. That's why I'm trying to get these taken care of now.
Yeah, we'll deal with it on August 23rd.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, Ms. Dawes. Ms. Soroki, she has a number of files.
Right.
I didn't meet with my lawyer yet either.
You have a different lawyer?
No, I didn't meet in the break room. I kept getting bumped out.
I'm aware of
So
that.
I came back in.
I'm aware of that. Okay, so. Okay, so Ms. Soroki, you got the docket, so you see all that's up. The offer is disorderly conduct for ticket number ending in 832.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's for the U ticket, disorderly conduct for the U ticket. And then improper plates for 832. And then for 772, improper plates for 771, fail to display, and then dismiss everything else. So should be making admissions to 4 tickets.
Okay. Ms. Doss?
Yes.
And I'll tell you what I would do was I would do fines on 2 of the tickets, and I'll waive the fines on 2. So it'll be $400.
Ms. Doss, you've got several matters. If you're willing to admit your ticket for disorderly or entering without owner's permission, it's a disorderly conduct. 2 tickets for improper plates and 1 ticket for failing to display a valid license. The judge will assess a fine on 2 tickets and not the other tickets, and then everything else will be dismissed. Would you like to do that?
You said plead guilty to entering without permission.
Yes, that's what, you have a misdemeanor ticket for that.
It's disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct, no, I don't know. That's the same day.
I don't know, what's the date on the violation, Your Honor?
On which one? On the U ticket?
Yes.
March 17, 2021.
Back in March, ma'am, last year.
No, I didn't do that. No, somebody rented that house to me.
You want to set it for a bench trial, Ms. Dawes?
I can't handle the matters separately.
What do you mean handle it?
She said asking if she can take the offer for the other 3 counts and just go to trial on the disorderly conduct.
I didn't know the disorderly conduct and the entering without permission because somebody rented that house to me and I didn't know the landlord was the landlord.
Okay, just so you know, that's the same charge, the disorderly conduct and the entering, it's just 1 ticket.
Oh, that's 1 ticket. Oh,
Yeah.
But still, I didn't know. So I'm guilty even though I didn't know that the landlord was the landlord?
Hold on. No one said that. Your Honor, do you want to let her bifurcate the files or, because then you wouldn't have so many tickets coming back if you want to do that.
Well, the only thing is that this is the offer based on if she pled to all of this. So I don't know if that would still be the offer.
Then we're going to ask for a bench trial date on all the matters, Your Honor.
If that makes sense. Raise your right hand, Ms. Doss. Oh, let me call it. This is the People versus Carolyn Doss, ticket number 1846617. Did I call it already or no?
No, I don't know. I can't.
No, Judge. No, Judge.
Thank you. Ticket number 184661771, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 1000783. Count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number 183957431. Count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number 1732869. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1732869. I'm sorry, that's the same one. I'm sorry. Strike that. Ticket number U5951161. Count 1, enter vacant building without a written authorization. Ticket number 184661772. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 124228601. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, fraudulent insurance information. And then ticket number Z800286. Count 1, just to display a valid operator's license, not one person. And ticket number SP10007832. Count 1, improper plates. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Doss.
Carolyn Doss.
Your Honor, at this time, I did discuss a pretrial recommendation with my client. She's continuing her plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Doss. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand out. You understand you have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial September 27th at 9. You're all set, ma'am.
Okay.
Officers Waterlow and Williams, I don't know what happened to Miss Dockery, so I'm just happy as her. I know she.
Or just if you could give her another date, Judge. She was here for a few hours. Send her a pretrial date, maybe.
September 27th at 8:35 for pretrial.
Thank you.
You guys are excused. Thank you guys for your patience.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know what's going on with the probation officer. We're not able to
Yeah,
get.
and I can't, his voicemail is full too, so I couldn't leave a voicemail either.
So there's 2 people in the waiting room. Is that who's there?
Yeah, well, one is that's Miss Dixon that we were trying to get the probation officer. We're unable to get him, and then Darnell DeBose.
Well, maybe we should just proceed with Ms. Dixon to another date, and if they want to bring her in, they can set a hearing.
That's what we're gonna do.
Second quest.
Mr. DeBose, what time did you log on, sir?
This goes with,
What time did you log on? Mr. DeBose?
Yes.
What time did you log on?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm having a hard time hearing you.
What time did you log on, sir?
Oh, I was trying to, I logged on early. I have a court date that's for tomorrow, and I was trying to get it rescheduled because I have a death in the family. I had called a couple of times to the clerk's office or to your phone number, but unfortunately, I haven't heard a phone call back.
So you set for tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the case number?
I don't have it handy.
Let me see if I have the docket. I might already have the docket for tomorrow. No, I don't.
Give me just one moment. I'll run up to get the card that I have.
Ms. Dixon, have you been in contact with the probation officer?
Have I been?
Sorry?
What? I'm sorry.
Ms. Dixon, you've been in contact with the probation officer?
No, I haven't spoke to him in a while.
So we need to adjourn yours as well, because we've tried to contact the probation officer, and we haven't been able to get in touch with him, so.
Okay, I have that case number, ma'am.
It's okay, we have it, sir. Hold on. You have a trial for tomorrow. That's what it's scheduled for a dog at large and a nuisance. Yeah, we don't have anybody in the waiting room. Nothing. I still got 7. Have a good one.
Oh, no, you just break it down for me. Okay. I said it was.
For who? For Davis?
Yeah, it was 18.
We found the right one. I just wrote PT. I didn't even write it. Mr. DeBose?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in the family, you need what, a week or 2 or?
And whatever you can schedule anytime after next week.
They're scheduled for trials. So you give them the same trial dates? Yeah. I'll put the date.
We'll do September 27th at 9 o'clock, Mr. DeBose.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
September 27th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Ms. Dixon? Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna have to come back another day for yours, because I don't know. So let's
Try one more time.
I mean.
9/4. September 4th.
Yeah,
Because all of this is morning stuff. That's just your arraignment session.
All right, well. What about 8? For the-
We just got another 4. Yeah, you just got 5 pre-trials hearings. Up from show cause, 1 final pre-trial, and then arraignments, that's the 1/3.
So okay, Ms. Dixon, we'll set you up for August 15th at 8:35.
August 15th. Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna have to call Mr. Wade.
Okay, we'll let the probation officer know. We can get some.
Yes. This person.
I was in the email. All right, I